Jinhuangdao Si Li De Ceramic Technology Company Limited, established in 2013, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of dental zirconia ceramic blocks. We are located in Jinhuangdao Economic Technological Development Zone. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced dental ceramic device with brand of Kingch, including HT, ST, UT, colored and 3D multi-layer zirconia blocks. The products are applicable to various manual and automatic equipment of CAD, CAM systems. The auxiliary products are milling machine, scanner, furnace, milling burrs, coloring liquid, PMMA, and wax blocks. In addition, we have obtained ISO 13485 CE RFDA certificates. Our products are selling well in all cities and provinces around China. At the same time, they have been exported to over 130 countries such as America, Germany, Italy, Turkey, France, Japan, Saudi Arabia, and many other countries. We also accept OEM and ODM orders. We have many equipment engineers to conduct the training and provide the customers with all-around technical guidance and meticulous after-sales services. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We believe that quality decides the future. Service wins markets.